feeling like your brain's running on fumes and you can barely focus? We're diving deep into Luv Neuro Drops to see if they're the real deal or just another overhyped supplement. First, let's break down what Luv Neuro Drops actually claim to do. Their website boasts improved focus, enhanced memory, and reduced stress. Sounds pretty good, right? But are these promises backed by science or just clever marketing? The key ingredients include ginkgo biloba, bacopa monnieri, and phosphatidylserine. These are all commonly found in nootropics, and research suggests they can support cognitive function. But the dosage and combination are critical. Now, let's talk about real-world experiences. User reviews are mixed. Some rave about a noticeable increase in focus and clarity, while others report little to no effect. A few mention a slight upset stomach. So, what's the verdict? Luv Neuro Drops might offer some cognitive benefits due to its ingredients. However, individual results can vary significantly. It depends on your unique body chemistry and needs. Before buying, do your own research. Look into each ingredient and its potential side effects. And most importantly, talk to your doctor to see if Luv Neuro Drops are right for you. Ultimately, Luv Neuro Drops show potential, but aren't a miracle cure. Consider them a possible aid, not a guaranteed solution for brain fog. That's it for this review. Hit like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.